Okay guys, so you saw my strawberry picking adventure the other day, and I did tell you guys that I was going to cook something with my strawberries, and I have decided that I am going to make strawberry and cream cheese danishes. So what I have here is my strawberries. Then you'll need cream cheese, puff pastry, the heavy whipping cream, cornstarch, vanilla, regular sugar, 1 egg, and powdered sugar. I'm gonna have to mix this with a 1/3 cup of sugar and then 2 cups of strawberries in this saucepan here. And then once I do that, I'm gonna heat it on low heat. And then while it's heating, I'm going to mix the cornstarch and the water together. And then once all the strawberries and stuff is cooked, I'm gonna pour the water and cornstarch mixture into that. And that is the first step. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Also, the oven is preheating to 375 degrees. So that is what the oven is set on. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I finally got my 2 cups of strawberries, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in the sauce pot or whatever. And then it takes a 1/3 cup of sugar. Regular sugar, y'all, regular sugar. So there's that. So here it is in the pot, and we're gonna turn it on low heat, and we're gonna wait till the sugar melts. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water, and we're gonna mix that together. Okay, so now we've let the sugar melt in these strawberries on the stove. So we're gonna pour in the cornstarch and water mixture. Supposed to like thicken it up, so. Okay, for this next part, you're gonna want some room temperature cream cheese. So I left this out when I got home from the store earlier today. So I left it out, and then what else do you need for the cream? So we need this. We need a 1/3 cup of regular sugar and a teaspoon of lemon juice, which I forgot. I'll have to get that out of the fridge, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So first we're gonna put this in my KitchenAid because that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use my KitchenAid because it's just easier for me. And it says to beat the cream cheese for 2 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let the KitchenAid and Alexa do it. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so this is what the cream cheese looks like. Now we're gonna add our sugar, our lemon juice, and our vanilla. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the puff pastry, we're gonna lay it out on a cutting board that's lightly floured, and we're gonna roll it out, and then we're gonna cut it in order to fit these danishes. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, so now that we have them rolled out and cut, I'm gonna put them on a baking sheet. Then we're gonna put the cream cheese stuff down first, and then we're gonna put the strawberry stuff on top. Then we're gonna fold it over and brush it with egg, I believe. And then we're gonna stick it in the oven. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm really worried about the turnout of these. We're gonna see. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
Okay, guys. Clearly, I'm not good at making danishes. I mean, they're really actually pretty ugly, but I'm gonna try them and see how they taste. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try this Danish. It's actually really good. I decided not to put the icing on it because I really think that it would just be too much, and I really wouldn't be able to eat it if I had the icing on it. But honestly, I think it's good without the icing. It may not look pretty, but it tastes good. Okay, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and stay tuned for all my other adventures. Bye now.